Hey all, let's solve today's Leetcode daily. So it says find the greatest common divisor of array. Uh, I haven't solved it before. Let me reset the stopwatch and start the timer again. So we are given an integer array nums. We need to find greatest common divisor of smallest and largest number in nums. GCD of is two numbers is the largest positive integer that evenly divides both numbers. So we are given an array nums and we need to find GCD of minimum and maximum element in nums. So what is GCD? GCD is greatest common divisor. For suppose k is GCD of a comma b, uh, k divides a and b evenly. So a percentile k will be 0 and b percentile k will be 0. Also k is the maximum value which can divide both a and b. This is what greatest common divisor mean. So this is basic math. So we can go to how we can implement this. So to find first challenge is we need to find smallest and largest number in nums. So to find smallest and largest number in a random order, you can sort the array and get the first and last elements. So to sort the array, complexity would be O of log n if you do merge sort or inbuilt sort in C++. For the given length of 1000, in log n works. So it is feasible, but can you think of any better approach to find like instead of sorting the array, uh, is there any better approach than n log n? We have min and max inbuilt functions, but what would be the complexity of it? Let me recall. Yeah, instead of sorting, we can use min and max in C++ inbuilt functions, or you can traverse through entire array and maintain a min value to check the minimum element and max value to check the maximum element. The time complexity of it would be O of n, which is better than sorting the array and getting the minimum and maximum element. So now we'll proceed with minimum and maximum in C++. So here let me take n is nums dot size. Now int mn is, since it is less than or equals to 1000, I'm taking it as int. If it is a great larger number, you can take it long data type. Now in C++ we have min element for vector nums dot begin comma nums dot end. Same for max, we have star max element of nums dot begin comma nums dot end. Yeah, we are good here. So we got min and max element. Now we need to do GCD. So return GCD of mn comma mx. Now we need to write GCD function. Since it is less than 1000, I'll be keeping it as int GCD of int a comma int b. You can use inbuilt GCD, but I want to just explain like how does GCD works, so you can understand. And also inbuilt GCD only works for the integers, so later if you want to do GCD for long numbers, you must write this function making it as long. So yeah, when does the GCD work? So GCD works between two numbers a and b. If one a is greater than b, GCD will be of a comma b, and a will become b and b will become a percentile b. It is because, suppose, let me write the equation here. Normal equation is a equals to quotient star b plus remainder. Now remainder will be a percentile b, right? Now suppose a number divides d. uh, I have a number d. This divides both a and b. Now what will be the equation? R will become a minus q star b, right? Now we equate both. So yeah, I got forgot a bit, so I was recalling the maths. It's been 3 to 4 years I learned it in the bachelor's. Uh, so we are taking a minus q star b towards right. Now suppose if d is the GCD, it divides both a and b. So then it must also divide the remainder r, right? So every common factor of a comma b is also common factor of b comma r, right? This is a transitive property where if d divides a and b, it will also divide r. Now r is a percentile b, so we replace r with a percentile b. Hope you got this. This is how the GCD formula is evaluated. I just gave the proof, so I was just interested in this. So now first we need to ensure that till b is not equals to 0, because if b becomes 0, a percentile 0 is false. The denominator cannot be 0. Now I'll take remainder as a percentile b. Now I'll give a as b and b will become a percentile b. I hope you got the intent here. Oh sorry, b will become remainder, not a percentile b. Now at last the GCD will be a, because that's the maximum among a and b, and both a and b will divide the actual number. So now let me execute and the test cases. Da, da, da. So now overall, sorry, let me submit it. Yeah, it got passed. So now overall complexity would be O of n to find minimum, O of n to find maximum. Instead of doing both, you can do single traversal also to find minimum and maximum. Then you can avoid this extra O of n. And to find the GCD, it would be log of the minimum element. Now space, here we are not using any extra space, it is O of 1. Hope you got the solution, and this is interesting. Yeah, we can traverse it to make O of n instead of O of n plus n. Yeah, if any doubts, let me know in comments. It's basic math. You can also go through few blogs or articles. Yeah, bye.